The champion's drift. Ben had dreamed of this moment his whole life. The roar of the engine, the smell of burnt rubber, the perfect slide. Now, he was here, a rookie on the legendary RTR team. He stood in the garage, his eyes fixed on his new car, a beast of yellow and black. But the first year was harder than he imagined. The car felt alien, the tracks unforgiving. He spun out in his first competition, then again in his second. The pressure mounted with every mistake, and his confidence began to slip. His teammate, James, was a veteran. He drove the blue car with a graceful, effortless style. After a particularly bad run, James found Ben staring at his car. "It's not about the car," James said. "It's about the connection. You have to feel the road, feel the engine." Ben took James's words to heart. He spent hours on the practice track, pushing the car to its limits, learning its every nuance. He wasn't just driving anymore. He was dancing with the machine. The spins became controlled slides. The mistakes became lessons. The second year began with a new energy. Ben wasn't winning yet, but he was consistently making it to the top 8, then the top 4. He was a force to be reckoned with, a blur of yellow and black on the track. The crowd roared his name, and his confidence soared. The final championship event arrived. The air was thick with anticipation. It all came down to the final battle: Ben versus James. The two teammates, now rivals for the title, lined up at the starting line. James took the lead in the first run, a perfect, clean drift. Ben followed, mirroring his every move, inches from James's bumper. The crowd held its breath as the two cars moved as one, a symphony of speed and smoke. In the second run, Ben led. He pushed the car to the absolute edge, a risky, aggressive line that no one expected. He held the drift for what felt like an eternity, a perfect, beautiful arc of speed and control. The scores were tallied, the announcer's voice boomed over the loudspeakers, and the new national drift champion is Ben! A wave of emotion washed over him. All the hard work, the late nights, the setbacks, it had all led to this moment. He found James waiting for him. James clapped him on the shoulder, a genuine smile on his face. "I told you it was all about the connection," James said. He looked at his car, then at his friend. He wasn't just a driver anymore, he was a champion.